Hello everyone, I have some exciting news to tell you. I recently just came back from Portugal doing a watercolor workshop retreat with Uptrek, and guess what? I'm doing another one in 2025. That's right, I'm going back to the Algarve coast to Quinta Bonita, which is this most beautiful property you've ever seen in the Algarve coast region, kind of 5 minutes from this town called Luz, L-U-Z, Luz, and we have like 15 minutes from Lagos. We have an excursion to Lagos. We go on a boat where we go see the grottos. We also just go to the town of Lagos as well and check it out and find the history about it. But we do a lot of painting at this retreat. There's a beautiful studio on the property, a gorgeous pool and grounds. We had such a great, fantastic time when I was there. Portugal is such a magical, amazing place. This will take place May 30th to June 6th in 2025, and there's some spots left. So if you really want to come and paint with me and watercolor in Portugal, which is such a hot place to go right now in 2025, grab your spot below. I'm going to go over some of the pictures and show you what the place is like, what we ate, all et cetera, in the next few slides. But this is like an amazing venue, and I won't be going back to Portugal for a few more years, so this is your time to go. I really recommend, if you want to go to Portugal and paint with me, this is the time to go. And we did a lot of painting in this retreat, and everyone had a great time. We learned a lot of techniques. I go through like all the techniques. I do a still life, we'll do, landscape, we'll do florals, we'll do some urban sketching. I try and get everything in the kitchen sink in there. Any kind of questions you have, you get lots of one-on-one time with me that you would never get on a workshop. All kinds of like questions answered there. You're with me like all day for 7 days. So it's a great opportunity for that. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you have any questions about the retreat itself, please reach out to Uptrek and they will answer them all for you. But watch the slideshow as I explain to you, what we did on the retreat that I just came from and what we'll be doing when we go there in 2025. And I really hope to see you there. I tell everybody that the retreat is the best way to really immerse yourself in like learning all these techniques with me, because like I said, I'm with you like seven days, like 8 hours a day, painting like 6 to 7 hours, and then we're like eating and conversing and hanging out. So a lot of one-on-one time. And you make lots of new friends that have enthusiasm for watercolor like yourself. It's really a unique experience. It's not the same as going to a workshop. When you go on these retreats, you really can immerse yourself in like where you are, the surroundings, and the people really just have a great time just kind of like getting to know each other and being enthusiastic about similar kind of things that they're passionate about, which is like traveling and watercolor. Anyway, watch the slides and check it out. And of course, the booking is in the description box below. Okay. So this is the gorgeous Quinta Bonita and the Algarve coast. It's just a gorgeous property. You can see the multi-levels here. There's the lawn up there. You can see the bougainvillea growing over the terrace. This is the aerial view of the garden in the property. It's so pretty up close and personal. Like that, I can't even describe it until you're there. It's just so beautiful. They have a wonderful pool, which I swam at a few times. It was a little bit chilly, but with the heat, it was worth it. It felt like so refreshing to take a nice little swim after like a hot summer day. Beautiful just ground. See that huge bougainvillea? I love that bush. I don't even know. It's gigantic. It's so pretty. I love it. Again, more grounds. You can just walk around the property. It's so relaxing. I didn't describe it. It was very, very relaxing property. Everyone felt like it was like a Zen property, very calming, influencing. And there's that bougainvillea really up close. It's just absolutely gorgeous. A lot of us painted that. Actually, bougainvillea is so pretty. Here's a view of some of the rooms have. Like this is a balcony view of Luz, the ocean there. You would have if you have the main deluxe suite. That was a view from me looking at their view in my room. This is the studio we painted in. It's unbelievable. You can open up all the doors, get fresh air. It was overlooking those beautiful gardens. We just loved the studio. We had such a great time. Everyone loved painting in here. I bring my little boombox so we can play some great tunes. And what I do is I go over what we're going to do for the day. I do a demonstration, and then everyone starts painting, and I walk around and see if you need help. And then I do another demonstration. And so throughout the day, you're getting like help from me, and I'm doing demos. Look at that view. That's the view of the garden from the studio. It is so beautiful. Then we went to Lagos, the beautiful green building. There's beautiful buildings in Lagos, so cool, just really unique properties that you see in these little small towns. I just love them. It's just like a different experience when you go to this place in Portugal. And then we went on this sailboat cruise to another little boat that takes us into the grotto areas, which was kind of cool, like that aqua water, these great rock formations. We actually painted some rock formations at the workshop retreat, but it's really cool to see them up close and in person in the boat. Loved it. Gorgeous water. I wish I could spend like a day out there doing this. It was so cool. Look how turquoise it gets when the light shines into it. The food was unbelievable. Everyone just commented how amazing it was. Every day was like a different dish, different, kind of Thai food or Japanese or just like regional stuff, Portuguese, great breakfast, great lunches. And then we painted some amazing things. So all in all, a wonderful retreat. I hope to see you there. Click the link in the description box to book your spot. Ask Uptrack any questions that you have. They will answer them. They love to answer your questions. And I hope to see you in 2025. Go check it out.